Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Moto G60S, and I'll show you how to view total screen time on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the digital well-being and parental control section. Now just here you can see your all total screen time of today's using your device, and that's 23 minutes. The more of time, that's what the settings application used, and also the Play Store and other. As can you see, we got here only the 15 logs and 47 notifications. And now we'll just tap here on our dashboard. We can see here the statistic of our everyday using of our device, and here you can see the applications what you just used before and the time spent in this application. For example, in Play Store I spent today the 2 minutes, in the settings 19 minutes. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.